Hey creators, welcome back to AI LedgerX, where we explore the coolest, most powerful AI tools shaping our future. Alright, picture this. What if ChatGPT, Notion, and a giant whiteboard had a super smart baby? That's basically what Kuse AI is. It's not just another AI chatbot. It's a visual workspace where you can think, organize, and create with AI on an infinite canvas. And honestly, this might just change how we all work in 2025. Today, I'm diving deep into what Kuse AI actually is, why people are calling it the Notion killer, and whether it deserves a spot in your AI toolkit. Let's be real for a second. Most of us juggle way too many apps. ChatGPT for ideas, Notion for notes, Figma for design, Drive for files, Zoom for collab. And before you know it, half your energy is wasted just switching tabs instead of actually doing the work. Kuse AI spotted this problem and said, what if you didn't have to leave the canvas? One space, powered by AI, where all your thoughts, documents, images, and ideas actually live together. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, it's here. So what exactly is Kuse AI? In simple terms, it's a visual workspace with AI baked in. Think of it as an infinite whiteboard. You can drop text, images, videos, links, even whole documents on it, and the AI works with you right there. No more copy-pasting between apps. No more losing context. The crazy part is that Kuse doesn't just throw random AI responses at you. It dynamically picks the best AI model depending on what you're doing, whether that's summarizing a PDF, brainstorming ideas, creating designs, or fact-checking something. That means less hallucination, more accuracy, and a lot more speed. Essentially, you're not working with just one AI brain, you're tapping into the right brain for the right task. Let's break down some of the coolest features. First, the infinite canvas. Imagine a giant board where you can drag and drop everything. PDFs, images, sticky notes, brainstorm bubbles. Perfect for visual thinkers. Then there's multimodal AI. This isn't text only. You can throw in videos, links, slides, and the AI can process all of it. It's literally an omnivore for content. Third, context awareness. If you're working on a project folder, the AI remembers everything inside that workspace. So instead of answering in a vacuum like ChatGPT sometimes does, it's actually context aware. Then there's adaptive model selection, which is genius. If you're brainstorming, it'll use a creative AI. If you're fact-checking, it switches to a reliable, citation-backed model. You don't have to worry about which AI to pick. And finally, it's a one-stop productivity hub. No need for 5 different tools anymore. You can ideate, organize, draft, and polish all in one place. It's like your second brain, but visual and AI-powered. When you first open Kuse, you land in a fresh, untitled project canvas. Front and center is a clean How to Use Kuse guide showing the flow, drop your files, select content and ask anything, then get results. In the prompt bar, we type something practical. Create a web page for my channel Ideaplex. Kuse opens a chat panel on the right and responds like a helpful teammate. It confirms what you want and asks for just enough context. What the channel is about, any style preferences, colors, or images. You don't have to leave the canvas or switch tools. The conversation and the canvas live side by side, so you can keep building while Kuse thinks. After you give it the green light, Kuse gets to work. You can see it using a tool called Universal Visualizer, with tabs for a live preview, the generated code, and its thinking process. In the Code tab, it's writing clean HTML/CSS. You don't need to touch any of it unless you want to. As the code appears, the live preview renders instantly on the right. This is the magic of Kuse's visual workspace. You chat, it builds, and you watch the result materialize without leaving the project. Finally, the finished page appears on the canvas. A bright hero with the channel name Ideaplex and the tagline where ideas come to life. There's even a small onboarding tip asking whether you're on a trackpad or mouse. From here, you can refine anything. Ask Kuse to tweak colors, change copy, add sections, or open the Code tab to make pixel-level edits. Because it's all on one canvas, you can drag the preview around, drop in logos or screenshots, and keep iterating. No exporting, no tab switching. Here's where Kuse really stands out. Other AI tools feel like assistants you chat with. Kuse feels more like a workspace partner. Instead of just asking it questions, you're actually building with it. Think of a product manager laying out a roadmap, a teacher organizing lessons, or a content creator planning videos. Everything becomes smoother when you can literally see your thoughts on a canvas and have AI shape them in real time. So, who's actually using Kuse right now? From what I've seen, product teams, educators, consultants, designers, and yes, even solo creators like us. For example, let's say you're planning a YouTube channel strategy. You can drop in your video ideas, upload reference articles, maybe even screenshots from competitors. The AI organizes it, suggests content gaps, and even drafts outlines. Boom, strategy done in hours, not weeks. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AI LedgerX, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next AI deep dive. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.